Welcome to the world of AVI Systems. We are experts in the areas of artificial intelligence, functional safety and sensor technology, with a special focus on the automotive, rail, transport and manufacturing industry. Our mission is to create artificial intelligence for safe seeing, recognition and understanding. We are experts for camera-based sensors, and we combine cameras with solutions and products to make machines see with the use cases for functional safety. Deep learning is a sub-area of machine learning and uses neural networks to deal effectively with large amounts of data. The learning methods are based on the functioning of the human brain and result in the ability to make own forecasts and decisions. We built up our deep learning experience over the last 5 years and created our own framework to develop, train, optimize neural networks within our company. This was a long time before the open source players appeared on the market. One of our applications to make machines see is the Car Eye Smart Camera solution, where we deliver real-time data streams of objects recognized by the camera. In the Car Eye solution, we provide a view of all objects around the vehicle for the car assistance computers and autonomous driving assistance systems. We developed, trained and optimized a special neural network based on our own framework to detect and classify objects in the traffic on the street, like pedestrians, bicycles, cars, trucks and traffic signs. In fact, that the real-time stream of one camera sensor needs a power of 60 watts, we recognized very early that we have to reinvent the possibility to bring this technology into a car or a vehicle. That's why we invented the concept of the smart neurochip. With this concept, we created software tools to optimize neural networks. With the first software tool, which we call Deep Learning Accelerator, we accelerate any deep learning algorithm by a factor of around 40, so it is processing 40 times faster than before. The second tool we call Synthetizer. It configures the algorithm and transfers this algorithm to the hardware model. This accelerated algorithm is high performing, and after this transmission to the hardware, it only requires 1/10 of the original power consumption. So this means that the real-time object detection for one camera consumes at the end 6 watts of power. And if a customer would develop an own ASIC for this application, it would be possible to reduce it down to 2 watts. To make this technology available for everybody, we created the Car Eye Safety Angle, a product which contains our smart camera capability with the neurochip deep learning concept. The Car Eye Safety Angle is a new driving assistance system for trucks and buses, a blind spot turning assistant. It consists of a camera wing mounted outside on the truck, a central box and a signal indicator mounted in the cabine. Objects such as people, cars, pedestrians, bicycles are identified by the artificial intelligence, and the future course and movement is calculated, so if a danger of collision based on this data occurs, the driver is warned by a light and a sound signal. The driver receives only a warning if there is a clear risk of collision. So this is minimizing the error rate. With an official certification from the German Federal Force Office, it is a real proof that our technology of deep learning on the edge is working. The heart of the turning assistant is this artificial intelligence box. In this box, with less than 30 watts of power consumption, 4 camera sensors are connected and can be processed by the neural network in real-time streams. Besides our use case of the turning assistant, we are able to provide our tools that everybody can take his own deep learning algorithm, can optimize it and transfer it to this hardware box. And so everybody can have its own edge computing embedded deep learning system. Thank you for watching our presentation. We will continue to research and develop to make tomorrow's world even safer and more enjoyable. Let's stay in touch. You can find more details about our company at our website. Thank you very much. Goodbye.